our house. Where we can get that back. Really get it there. But you are the kind if you are not here, the woman and the wife. Wait up. You are just otherwise, we need to wake up early for a meeting. These are the people who I lead. I take this honor to invite you to talk to your people. I greet everybody in Jesus' name. And all the time, the Lord is good and that is never. My true members, I want to appreciate you for the good turnout of the main purpose of our meeting today is to fill the form and attend the workshop so that they are sent to the congregation, hoping that all requirements will be fulfilled. But madam, I don't have what is special certificate. Can I also fill the form? So long as you are a group member, you are automatic. You are invited. We never know. Here are the oh my God, then I am educated. Let me fill the form. That is not the case. You were told that so long as you are a group member, you can fill the form. The form that you are filling is because of 100,000 filling. Please comply. But no, stop, keep quiet. This new chief is good. Okay, you can now return the form. Members, I thank you very much for participating in this exercise. This money will be paid after closing. I declare the meeting. Good news. People have started getting police development model funds. Where shall I begin from after getting this 1 million? I know another way. In the one. Oh, I buy a new motorcycle. Go my son. Go in. Let me call this the bank and I decide. Good afternoon, manager. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I have come to check on my money. The police development model, if it has ended. You have your money card. I fill the form and I am sure of the answer. What the form shall we do? What's your name? My name is Laguma.
You have national identification card?
Yes, I have.
You have participation certificate?
No, sir.
You are not eligible to get this. You don't have participation certificate, the basic requirement.
But manager, our policy says that so long as you are a good member, you are liable to get these forest development model funds.
She should have told you a basic requirement for that.
Okay, manager. Policy is an eye, so I want to drink from the water source.
Mr. Lakoma, you look stranded. Are you okay?
Not at all.
Why?
I have this PDM money. That just because I don't have bar registration certificate.
Mr. Lakoma, yours is okay. But I lost my son at the airport just because I don't have birth registration certificate to get passport to take him abroad for treatment. Can you imagine, my friend?
This policy, you will know who I am.
My husband, you are welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mommy, we need food. Mommy, food. Please, my children, calm down. My husband, we were waiting for you so that we put something in our bag.
Oh, Mama, things are not easy in this world. I did not get my money. That I don't have a registration certificate.
What? Are you telling the truth or you are lying? All I've got the money. I told you to be feeding that song for me.
Excuse me.
Explain me the confusion. Stop that, please. Let's sit down. Mama, what was wrong? What was wrong? In this song, I am the one feeding children and this butter. He has made us. This useless man. It's over. Let us listen to the PDM lesson. I greet everybody in this gathering. Mama Kumsi, you took the law in your hand.
Yes, have you seen?
Things are then be difficult as it happened with the woman. According to PDM program, every household is expected to receive 1 million shillings provided the member of that ID and birth registration.
Yeah. Okay, Mama, come
Shut
here.
up! Young officer, you are welcome. Thank you. Please, let's begin the show. I have seen Mama Kumsi answer. Yes, I know. I have published the program program. Thank you.
Yes.
The government has indicated the lack of money to house. I have taken this from the back and out of process. I'm a command.
We shall move together.
I thought I was
Yun po sila nila. Tiyak-tiyak nagbubu.
Hey!
Oh,